everybody out there in TV land. Nate here at Strictly Diesel. Today we're going to install this full force HPO rail system on a 97 OBS 7.3. We're looking forward to the install. There's been quite a few things out on the internet about this particular product, so we're doing our own testing, our own research, and we're going to have a few videos about it. Looking forward to it. I'm going to zoom in on a picture. Here's the product. We've already installed the O-rings on the plugs, so they shrink back to normal. And the rails themselves are right here, as you see. So a few things have been disconnected on the vehicle already, but we're going to show you the overall install and have some fun. Hope you enjoy. Hey everybody, just got done installing the full force rail kit here. Overall, very easy install, took us 45 minutes. If you're taking this to a shop, I'd expect an hour to an hour and a half charge on an old body style Ford. If you're doing super heavy, could be as much as an hour, could be as much as 2 hours. It's going to depend on the shop and how they do things. If you're doing this in your driveway with hand tools, or even some air tools, allow yourself an hour and a half to 2 hours. Obviously working at home is different than in the shop. As you can see, the two plugs here that we took out. One of them did have a bad O-ring on it, and they were the older style O-ring. So it'll do a lot of people good to install the new plugs with the new O-ring, keep from leaks and so forth. Our luck was pretty good. Our plugs were not that tight. A lot of miles on this motor, about 400,000, still going strong. We did torque these new rail plugs to 65 foot-pounds. As you saw in the video, I did give a good and tight tug with a 1/2-inch pry bar. And then I went back with the torque wrench and torqued it down to 65. Overall, you're not going to over tighten these. On the internet, we found 60 foot-pounds. 60, 65, good and tight. You're going to be covered either way. Make sure you use some Loctite with the plug. Overall, install was very easy. We did remove the alternator and the alternator bracket on this truck. We also did loosen and remove the AC compressor and pulled it out of the way. Pulled the power steering bracket off as well. Nudged it sideways. We did not pull the fan off. It was not necessary. You can sneak the rail in with the fan in place. You should be able to on a Super Duty as well. Each rail takes about a quart of oil. We've added a quart to this install. So far the oil level's okay. We're going to go drive it and check it afterward. Any questions, give us a call at 623-582-4404. We appreciate you watching our video. Look for us on social media, Instagram and Facebook. don't be afraid to shoot us an email at sales@strictlydiesel.com. Go to our website, strictlydiesel.com. Check out the product there. Appreciate you watching. Have a great day. There you go. Beep.